Hey, Kathleen here. I am reviewing this Level 8 Grace 20-inch extendable hard case suitcase. And I want to show you how much room is got inside. I have got so much stuff in here. This side has two clips holding this closed, and then the strap holding things closed. And I've got tons of shoes and toiletries and socks, underwear, hair thing, and the power cord to my computer in here. And then it comes with this TSA approved lock. And then on this side, I've got lots of clothes in here. Okay, so it's got a couple pairs of jeans, shirts, pajamas, that kind of stuff. So that's all over here. So that's pretty full. And that said, when you want to get into this computer side, which I think I'll flip this around because it opens from the top. So when you want to get into this computer side, you can do it easily, but it doesn't hold as much as because this is so packed. All right, so if you wanted to really focus on stuff in here, you'd probably take some of the stuff out of here. So my computer's in here. This is a little bit padded. It's padded behind. It is not padded here, okay? So you've got the hard case, and then this is not padded here. And like I said, this is lightly padded here. So could it use a little more padding? I think it could use a little more padding. But the fact that it's got the hard case is, I think, part of why it doesn't need to have so much padding here. But you've got lots of little pockets here for pens and your mouse, and you could put your mouse pad here, and that would give a little more padding as well. You can put a tablet in here. So there's lots of options for this space. So let me show you how it rolls. All right, so this is extended out. Now this one probably doesn't need to be. So you could fit a little more in here by extending this. But I did want to show you this handle just comes up, oh my gosh, so nicely. And it rolls really well. 360, just very easy. Goes down nicely. And again, to access the computer, you would just do it from here. You don't have to open up the whole case. You just access it here. So it is super nice. I really do like it. And this is my first hard case. And I do like it. It does also have a key. I forgot to mention that. So it's got a built-in lock and a key. You don't have to use that. It does come with also the little padlock. That's another option.